Welcome to this beautiful home in Tierra Montana, nestled with the epic views of Estrella and South Mountain. Come, let me show you inside. As soon as you walk in, you can really appreciate how open and spacious this floor plan feels. It's a very popular split floor plan with 3 bedrooms and a den, perfect for an office or a playroom, with an option of a 4th bedroom. This is a fantastic open concept floor plan. This is a beautiful kitchen and is really the heart of the home. Open layout overlooking the main living and dining areas, so whether you're entertaining or just spending time at home, everything feels connected. So if you love this area, this might be the perfect home for you. Give me a call if you want to see it in person.